Good afternoon, dear students. Welcome back to RV online class. In previous class, we have completed the second lesson of your think book. Today, we are going to learn about the third lesson, sweet home think book. So, third chapter. First, before going to our think book exercise, we recall that what we learned in this lesson. Yes, what you learned, students, in this lesson about houses. Yes, how many types of houses are there? Kacha house and Pakka house. There are two types of houses. Two types of houses. They are Kacha house and Pakka house. And the different types of permanent houses. Permanent houses. We learned about the different types of permanent houses. In cities and towns, people live in Pakka house. It is made up of bricks, stones, iron, wood, cement, etc. They are strong and they stand with storms and rain. They are also known as permanent houses. What do you mean by permanent houses? Permanent houses, Kacha and Pakka houses. Pakka houses also called a permanent house. Kacha house is a temporary. Many people live in huts. Huts are called Kacha houses. They are not very strong. Storms or rain can damage the Kacha houses. Next, the different types of permanent houses are the flats, apartments, bungalow, multi-story building are the examples of permanent houses. The different types of temporary houses. The temporary houses are that not temporary, it is temporary houseboat, caravans, tents, huts are the temporary houses. The people involved in a building house, many people involved to build the house. They are architect, carpenter, painter, plumber, then electrician are the persons they involved to build the houses. Then I will ask some yes or no questions. You have to you people try to answer that question. The first question is that floating houses or temporary houses. Floating houses. Floating houses means boat house, houseboats. They are floating in water, float on water. Call it floating houses. They are temporary or permanent houses? Yes, they are temporary houses. Floating houses are the temporary houses. Yes. Tents are known as multi-story building. Yes, students? Multi-story buildings are the permanent houses. They will stand permanently at one place. The multi-story building are the buildings are called as permanent houses. The tents are known as multi-story building. Is false because tents are known as temporary houses. Yes, students, that's why it's a wrong statement. No, you have to write there. No. Plumber fix the electric wires and points. Students, remember that painter, the work of painter and electrician, plumber architect. What architect do for your home? Yes, architect make the plans of our house. Next, carpenter makes the doors and furniture and window pans. They made by carpenter. Mason lays the bricks with cement. Build the walls of our houses. Then painter. What painters do? Paints wall, doors and windows. Next, electrician. What the work of electrician? It's fix the electric wires and points. Next, plumber. What plumbers do? Plumber fix the tap and pipes. Here, the third question is that plumber fix the electric wires and points. All of you know that it's the work of plumber. Plumber fix the taps and pipes. It is the work of plumber. Who fix the electric wires and points? Yes, it is fixed by electrician. That's why you have to tell that it is a wrong statement. No, plumber fix the electric wires and points. It is no. Next, real life connects. We already recall about this one. Next, have you observed the different houses built in villages and towns? What are the difference? Have you observed the students? In villages, many people live in huts, and in towns, many people live in buildings, bungalows, flats, apartments, and multi-story buildings. They live in cities. Yes, what is the difference? What are the difference? Difference in villages, many people live in huts, and cities, many people live in apartments, bungalows, and flats. These are the permanent houses. Hut is the example of Kacha house. Kacha house and Pakka house. That is the difference. Note the teacher revise the response and explain the differences in village and town houses. What is the difference between village and town houses? Village houses are temporary houses. Town houses are permanent houses. In villages, houses are made up of grass, leaves, and thick branches of trees, mud. They made these things home. Next, in cities, the houses are made with bricks, cement, stone, iron, tiles. This is the difference between village house and town house. The top selling of the city house is made up of cement or wood. But in villages house, it is made up of raw fodders or clay tiles. A village house can be made up of sand and red bricks, while city houses are built by keeping cement as a base. Both village house and town houses are built in different manner depending on their lifestyle and should not be seen in different ways. According to their lifestyle, they made the different types of houses in villages as cities. Okay. Next, Kacha house and Pakka house. Already know about that Kacha house and Pakka house. Next, in your think book, observe and analyze. They are given here that multiple choice question. We have to discuss about that one. Observe and Yes, students, what they are given here? First question, page number 8. Look at that question, page number 8. Which one is permanent house? First question is that which one is a permanent house? A. Hut, bungalow. C. Floating houses. Floating houses. Second question, which one is a temporary house? Which one is a temporary house? Temporary house. Options are flats, bungalow, floating houses. Floating houses. Two questions they are given. Yes, friends. First question is that which one is a permanent house? The options are they are given. Hut. Yes, students. Hut is the example of Kacha house. Means temporary house. Bungalow. Bungalow is the example of permanent house. Then floating house. Floating house means houseboat. It is the example of temporary houses. They are asking here that which of the following is the permanent house? Which one is permanent, students? Hut, bungalow or floating house? Yes, it is the bungalow. Bungalow is the examples of permanent house. Bungalow is a permanent house. Second one, which one is a temporary house? Then flats. Flats are the permanent houses. Bungalow. Bungalow also examples of permanent house. Then floating houses. Houseboat are the examples of temporary house. This is the correct answer. First one is bungalow is the correct answer. Second one is floating houses. The correct answer. Next, move to that observe and analyze. Next question is that think and match. In that observe and analyze only. Second is that think and match. Match the following is that first one is hut. Hut, caravans, houseboats, tents, flats, bungalows. These are given here words, name of the houses, which they are given, students. Hut, caravans, houseboat, tent, flats and bungalows. These are the name of houses. Here they are given pictures here. Can you identify that which picture belongs to which house? This picture, what we call to this picture? First one Is it houseboat? No. Is it bungalow? No. Yes, it is a caravan. We have to match this second. A1 to second. Next, B is that. Can you identify these pictures, students? It's a tent. You have to match this fourth one. Yes. Third is that. Students, which picture is it? Name this picture. Yes, it is a hut. First one is there, the hut. You have to match this hut here. Yes, it is. Can you identify this picture? It is a bungalow. Sorry, flats. You have to match here flats. Here, E1 is that. Can you name this one? Yes, it is the picture of bungalow. Where is the bungalow? Sixth one is there. You have to match this picture to sixth one. Yes. What is the last one? Observe these students. Can you guess what is this picture? Yes, it is a houseboat. So you have to match this F1 to third one, houseboat. This is your think and match. You have to match this one. Okay. Next, human dimension is there. In this one, draw the house. Here, you have to draw any type of house here. Students should acknowledge in their houses in order to draw them in their think book. You have to draw here any house picture. Draw the house here. Is it bungalow or it may be hut? You have to draw any one house here. Okay. Next, this is also one activity is there for you people. See in your book, there are pictures given here. You have to use cardboards from old books, magazines or ice cream sticks to make walls and grass and straws to make ceilings, etc. and make a model hut. You have to do one model hut like this, or it may be like this, like this, like this. You have to make any one of these model. Yes. Next, another one activity is there for you people. Here, connect the dots here. Connect the dot in this picture with similar colors as you seen in your surroundings. Which type of house is it? You have to connect these dots here. They are given here points in 1 after 2, 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 like this. You have to join the dots. You have to connect the dots and to get a beautiful house. You have to color to this house and also name it below. Which type of house is it? Yes, students, we have here we have completed your this third sweet home think book. Hope you all copied these answers. Okay. Tomorrow we'll go to next chapter. Thank you.